Mahwash here with another easy breezy sweet puff pastry snack. This 4 ingredient sweet snack is called a strawberry turnover. I have used strawberries, but you can use any type of berries, or you can use cherries also. These strawberry turnovers are kids' favorite because I add a secret ingredient to it, and it's chocolate chips. I haven't seen people adding chocolate chips to these turnovers, and I believe the flavor the chocolate brings goes very well with the strawberries. Here are the 4 ingredients that you'll need: puff pastry, 1/4 cup caster sugar, dark chocolate chips, and 2 cups of strawberry cut into cubes. Add the sugar into strawberries, give it a good mix and let them sit for a few minutes. You can also put them in a pan and cook the strawberries with the sugar to dissolve the sugar. But as I like to keep things easy breezy, I will skip that step and instead I will prep the puff pastry. Take a single sheet of puff pastry and divide it into 4 squares. By now, the sugar should be dissolved. Take a tablespoonful of this mixture and put it on the bottom left of each puff pastry piece. Sprinkle the secret ingredient, chocolate chips. Now fold the top right corner on the bottom left corner and then press the edges with a fork to conceal it. Once all are done, make a cross in the middle to allow the steam to pass through. Now place them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until golden from the top. This is how they will look. To make them more presentable, we will make a strawberry glaze. Take the leftover syrup from the strawberry mixture and add and mix caster sugar or icing sugar to it until it thickens a bit. Now drizzle it all over the strawberry turnovers and maybe some on the platter too. The strawberry turnovers are ready. Time to pet your pack, take a pic and serve and enjoy. These strawberry turnovers are perfect for any occasion or for any time snack. If you're a chocolate lover, adding the chocolate makes it more scrumptious to eat, but you can totally skip it out if you want to. Hit that like button if you like today's 4-ingredient puff pastry snack, strawberry turnovers. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And press that bell icon to get all the updates on what's cooking at Mahwash. If you're already a subscriber, then thanks a lot for giving me your precious time. I definitely value your likes and comments. Comment down below and let me know if you're going to add chocolate to these strawberry turnovers or not. Thanks for watching and bye for now.